Today we're diving into CRISPR technology, arguably one of the biggest breakthroughs in genetics. Ever wondered how scientists can now edit DNA like text?
Yeah, it's wild. I mean, CRISPR basically acts like molecular scissors, right? It can cut DNA at specific spots and let researchers tweak genes.
Exactly. At its core, CRISPR is based on a bacterial defense system. Bacteria used it to fight viruses. Now we're hijacking it to edit genomes.
And what's cool is the precision. Scientists use a guide RNA to lead the Cas9 enzyme to the exact DNA sequence they want to target.
Think of it like GPS for gene editing. Once it gets there, Cas9 makes a cut and then either disables the gene or allows a new one to be inserted.
What blows my mind is how fast this tech has moved from theory to application. We're already seeing it in clinical trials for diseases like sickle cell anemia.
True, and there's also talk of CRISPR being used to tackle genetic blindness, certain cancers, and even HIV. But it's not without controversy.
You mean the whole debate around designer babies and germline editing?
Yeah, exactly. Editing embryos that pass changes down generations is ethically tricky. Once that's out in the world, there's no undo button.
Plus, off-target effects are a real concern. Even though CRISPR is precise, it's not perfect. Sometimes it cuts where it shouldn't.
That's where newer versions like CRISPR-Cas12 and Cas13 come in. They offer more control and even work on RNA instead of DNA.
I heard Cas13 could potentially treat viral infections by targeting the virus's RNA directly. It's like a programmable antiviral.
The versatility is insane. Agriculture, too. Scientists are editing crops to be drought-resistant or pest-proof without traditional GMOs.
Right, and it's faster and cheaper than older gene editing methods like TALENs or zinc finger nucleases.
But regulation is lagging behind. Different countries have wildly different policies on how CRISPR can be used.
Yeah, like how China has been more aggressive in pushing the boundaries, while places like Europe are more cautious.
Do you think public acceptance will shift if CRISPR starts curing major diseases more reliably?
Possibly. I mean, if your kid has a genetic disorder and CRISPR offers a cure, that's hard to ignore.
But we still need transparency and oversight. Otherwise, a bias, we risk turning this into a biotech Wild West.
It's a powerful tool. Like fire, it can warm your home or burn it down, depending on how it's used.
Perfect metaphor. CRISPR's future really depends on how wisely we wield it.
So here's a question for our listeners. If you could safely edit one gene in your body, would you do it? And what would you change?
Let us know what you think and stay curious.